Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, diving deep into one of the most powerful and controversial AI trends right now, AI video generators. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how these tools work, what amazing and scary things they can do, and how creators like you and me can stay ahead of the curve. Ready? Let's get started. So, first things first, what exactly is an AI video generator? Put simply, it's a tool that can take a text prompt, like a script or a simple description, and automatically create a video clip from it. We're talking visuals, motion, and sometimes even audio, all without needing actors, cameras, or manual animation. These systems are incredibly complex, combining large language models for understanding your text, image synthesis for creating the visuals, and motion interpolation to bring it all to life. Imagine typing a golden retriever wearing sunglasses skateboarding through a futuristic city, and the AI just makes it. The technology is still in its early days, and the quality can be a bit hit or miss, but the speed at which it's improving is mind-blowing. Now, let's look at some of the major players and real-world examples. You've probably heard of tools like Sora, which can generate stunningly realistic videos from simple text prompts in various artistic styles. Then there are others that specialize in creating short, punchy clips perfect for social media, or even combine AI video with a synthesized voiceover. It's not just theory, this is already happening on a massive scale. For example, some YouTube channels are now publishing fully AI-generated stories, surreal animations, or even AI news segments. A recent report even found that a significant number of the fastest-growing channels last year were publishing purely AI-generated content. These videos often push the boundaries of reality, mixing bizarre plots, deep-fake voices, and fantastical visuals that would have been impossible to create just a few years ago. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and it's not all sunshine and roses. There are some serious risks and controversies we need to talk about. The most obvious one is the potential for misuse, like creating deepfakes to spread misinformation or manipulate public opinion. Then there are the thorny legal questions around copyright and ownership. If an AI is trained on existing art and media, who owns the final product? And let's be honest, a lot of early AI videos fall into the uncanny valley. They look strange, the movements are jerky, and something just feels off. For creators, the biggest fear is disruption. If anyone can generate endless videos with a few clicks, what happens to those of us who pour our time, effort, and heart into our work? We're already seeing some channels using what are called cheap fakes, basically static images with an AI voiceover and a sensational script, designed purely to grab views, often by misleading the audience. Thankfully, platforms like YouTube are starting to roll out policies that require creators to disclose when they're reusing synthetic content. So, with all this change, how can we, as creators, adapt and thrive instead of getting left behind? The key is to see AI as a powerful tool, not a replacement. Think about incorporating AI-generated elements into your videos while keeping your own unique voice, style, and perspective at the forefront. Audiences connect with your personality, your stories, your expertise. That's something AI can't replicate. You can create hybrid content, for example, using AI to generate cool B-roll, slick transitions, or custom animated assets while you remain the star of the show. Another strategy is to double down on your niche and provide real value and depth. Whether it's through detailed tutorials, insightful analysis, or a unique personal touch, go deeper into your subject than a machine ever could. The creators who stay updated, experiment with these tools early, and learn how to master them will have a huge advantage. Yes, AI video generators are disruptive, but for those who are willing to evolve, they can become an incredible superpower. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think AI video tools will ultimately kill creativity, or will they unlock a new era of it? Drop your opinions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a fellow creator who might be wondering about all this. I have a lot more deep dives into AI and content creation coming soon, so stay tuned. See you in the next one.